Keep running away from me. Won't you keep running away from me? Running away from me. So here's the 411. My hair looks nice. It definitely covered my gray. It did not take long. When I initially got out, I thought my hair was jet black all over, and I was a little worried. But close up, you can tell. You can see that it's not. I was also a little worried that my hair wouldn't get as clean using a hair dye shampoo, but it's pretty clean. But yeah, so a couple quick tips. Because you can shampoo in the shower and with locks, I kind of suggest if you're not going to go to the salon to do it in the shower. Don't think that you can actually put this shampoo in your head and then actually wash yourself, because trying to bathe with your eyes closed is dangerous, okay, and stupid. All right, because that's what I did. I wouldn't. It says to saturate your hair and then add the product to your hair. It did not specify if I should wear the gloves while washing my hair, but I did. I tried that, but honestly, the water just got all in the gloves anyway. But as you can see, my hands are pretty clear, except for my nails, and even that's not as bad as it was when I first got out. Also, don't saturate your hair to the point where it's dripping, which is another thing I did. So thoroughly wet your hair, wring it out, and then add the shampoo. It said for medium length to use 3 or 4, but honestly, I only needed 2. One just pretty much, I did 3 packs. The 3rd pack pretty much just wasted down the drain. So it also depends on the thickness of your locks. So you have that. Lastly, it does stain certain types of materials. So I did get some on my countertop on my sink. It would have wiped off clean, but I left it there too long. So there's maybe a little section in my shower that's stained. I have different material. I'm not a tub expert, so I don't know what that material is, but definitely be mindful of that. I would assume because you're shampooing it, it should wash down. But again, we should be doing our hair at the salon. At least maybe that's the general idea. I don't know, whatever. Overall, I really liked it. It was quick. It wasn't easy, but that's only because of the locks, not because of the product itself. But overall, I liked it. My scalp is not itchy. I'm going to wait and see how my roots respond, or how my scalp responds to the hair dye. Generally, I lose hair when I dye my hair, but we'll see. So I'm going to try to be on YouTube a little bit more, but in the meantime, have a blessed one, and I will talk to you later. Bye.